Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. In today's video, we are going to answer a simple question. Can you withdraw money from Fanduel to Cash App? A lot of people use Fanduel to play and win, but when it's time to cash out, things can get confusing. So, in this video, we will tell you the real deal. Can you really transfer your Fanduel winnings straight to Cash App? If yes, what are the steps? Let's break it down in simple words. To understand the compatibility of Cash App with Fanduel in detail, we came to this article titled, Does Fanduel Accept Cash App? Unlocking the Truth. This article explains both the deposit and withdrawal processes between Fanduel and Cash App in detail. As we scroll down in the article, we reach a subheading that says, Can you withdraw money from Fanduel to Cash App? This subheading gives a complete answer to our question. In this section, it says, yes, you can withdraw money from Fanduel to Cash App, but not directly. This means that you cannot connect Cash App directly to Fanduel because Cash App is not included in Fanduel's list of payment methods. Let's scroll back to the top of the article where they have listed Fanduel's payment options. Here are the Fanduel payment options. These include Venmo, bank transfer, prepaid card, Huntington Bank, debit cards, Fanduel prepaid card, PayPal, MasterCard, and Pay Near Me. But as you can see, Cash App is not listed anywhere. Now, let's go back to the subheading. It clearly states that you can't withdraw directly from Fanduel to Cash App. Then it goes on to explain, you need a Cash App card. First, order a Cash App card from your Cash App and link it to your Fanduel account. Then, go to the withdrawal section in Fanduel, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and choose your Cash App card as the payment method. There is also another method. You can use a bank account that is linked to your Cash App. Just go to Fanduel, click on Withdraw, enter the amount, and select the bank account that's connected to your Cash App. Once the money is sent to that bank account, you can then transfer it from your bank to your Cash App. So these are the two methods that allow you to withdraw money from Fanduel to Cash App. If you want to understand this process step by step, this article explains it clearly. You will find the link to this article in the video description. Visit the article to read the full process in detail.